I mean, I guess it's good that they give you that statement of, hey, we're resilient, we're sound, but a lot of people really want to know about all these loose ends that are still out there and whether these regulators, which includes not just Yellen, but also Jay Powell himself, whether they're actually going to do something more.
Right. Sound and resilient. We're hearing that again and again. But it's the words that matter, and you've seen the market react depending on how far they will go to give direction about the type of security that they, in terms of government support, will provide to this industry. When Yellen earlier said that the government is not prepared to give a unilateral blanket support for all uninsured deposits, you saw the market react. The next day she came back, she pulled some of those words, reversed a lot of what she had earlier stated, and you saw the market react in a completely different way. So I believe that this very specific 200 or so statement is deliberately giving a lack of answers to the market. So we're not going to be ending this Friday, really, with a lot of clear answers as much as we would like to wrap up the week.
Well, talk to us about some of the questions that still are out there that we would have liked to maybe get some answers on. I'm thinking First Republic, I'm thinking PAC West. What are some of the biggest questions heading into this weekend?
So while they're unlikely to go into specific names, they could have given some indication about treatment based on the various sizes of the bank and also the health of specific names either that are in receivership or are clearly still looking for some sort of support. So with actually SVB right now, we expect that some sort of buyer or some sort of deal could be announced as soon as this weekend. There are some deadlines, I believe, today.
Deadline was today, right?
Today is the deadline. We might not see an announcement by that deadline, but hopefully by the end of the weekend, we'll be getting some of those names out. And in terms of First Republic, from what we're hearing from sources, the timeline seems to be further out, and that it's not as much of an urgent scenario by any means. But that is also the next question. After the $30 billion that they saw from the banks in terms of deposits the other week, there still seems to be another shoe that could drop or another progression, something else that needs to really keep this bank going.